Imagine a world where your money can instantly travel across the globe without the need for banks or intermediaries. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you this technology already exists? And it's not as complex as you might think. Today, we're going to dive deep into two popular payment methods, Zelle and Bitcoin. Are they similar? Are they different? Let's find out. Section 1. What is Zelle? Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send money instantly to friends and family within the United States. It's a simple, secure, and convenient way to transfer funds. But how does it work? Well, Zelle is integrated into many popular banking apps. So, if your bank supports Zelle, you can simply add the recipient's email address or phone number and send the money. It's that easy. Section 2. What is Bitcoin? Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. It's a decentralized digital currency that operates on a blockchain network. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any central authority. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a network of computers, making them secure and tamper-proof. This decentralized nature is one of Bitcoin's key features. Section 3. Similarities between Zelle and Bitcoin. While Zelle and Bitcoin may seem quite different at first glance, they do share a few similarities. Both are digital payment methods that allow you to send and receive money electronically. And both are relatively fast, with transactions typically completed within minutes or even seconds. Additionally, both Zelle and Bitcoin can be used to make purchases online. However, Bitcoin's acceptance is still limited compared to traditional currencies. Section 4. Key differences between Zelle and Bitcoin. Now, let's delve into the key differences between Zelle and Bitcoin. One of the most significant differences is the underlying technology. Zelle operates on a traditional banking network, while Bitcoin uses blockchain technology. Another major difference is the level of decentralization. Zelle is centralized, meaning it's controlled by a network of banks. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is decentralized, operating independently of any central authority. Finally, there's the issue of volatility. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate significantly over short periods. Zelle, being tied to traditional currencies, is much more stable. Section 5. Is Zelle like Bitcoin? So, to answer the question, is Zelle like Bitcoin? The short answer is no. While they share some similarities, such as the ability to send and receive money digitally, there are significant differences in terms of technology, decentralization, and volatility. Zelle is a convenient and secure way to send money to friends and family within the United States. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a decentralized digital currency with the potential to revolutionize the financial system. In conclusion, Zelle and Bitcoin are two distinct payment methods, each with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to send money to friends and family within the United States, Zelle is a great option. However, if you're interested in exploring the potential of decentralized digital currencies, Bitcoin may be more appealing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.